Right now, write down P of C. P of C value is the 30 by 60. P of S is the 32 by 60 minus P of C intersection S is the C intersection S is the, what is the value C? C intersection S. What is the C intersection S is the 24 by 60. 24 by 60. Total is the, what is the value? It can be C 38 by 60. 38 by 60 C 20 now 30 plus 32 minus 24 by 60. Okay, na? So now the simplification is 24 plus 8 is the 32. Therefore, 8 plus 30, 38 by 60 is the value. Any cancellation is there means it should be cancelled. Right. First, NSS I will take S, NCC I will take C. So number of total students is the 60. N of T I will represent. N of C is equal to 30 already given. So those we are opted, NCC is the 30 members, and yes, those we are opted, NSS is the 32, and both is opted is the 24. Now it is clear na? So P of C is equal to probability of NCC is the 30 by 60. Probability of NSS is the 32 by total is the 60. P of S intersection is the 24 by 60. Okay, na? First bit is P NCC R NSS. NCC means C, R means union S. P of A union B formula already we know that P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Applying this formula, so now I will write what is the corresponding values in that one and substitution. Here, why I am writing the union mean 60 students is NCC taking students is there, NSS taking students is the say we have separate only NCC taking students, only NCC taking student, and only NSS taking the students, only NSS taking the student. Both will be taking the student. Both means common is there. Common means compulsory union formula will be arise. Okay, na? Right. Everyone go through the second bit. What is the second bit is probability of neither NCC, neither nor is given means, nor means inter and condition will come. Neither means C dash, nor means intersection S dash. Neither NCC nor NSS, nor is K, neither nor is K means compulsory intersection. You should remember that point. Neither nor means middle is the intersection. Neither C is not there, neither S is not there. Both are not there. So both are not there means intersection. Okay, na? So next, now this can be written as already De Morgan's formula. You know that reverse order C dash C write down, intersection U write down, S dash S write down, whole dash write down. This can be written as, we can be written as 1 minus P of A dash, P of A plus P of A, P of A dash is equal to 1. P of A dash is equal to 1 minus P of A, 1 minus P of A. You can be substitute 1 minus P of C union S. What is the C union S? Already we find out 1 minus 38 by 60. Take LCM and simplify and write down. Okay, na? Then 60 minus 38 by 60 by the simplification. What is the value is 22 by 60 simplified. Okay, na? Right. Go through the third bit, everyone. What is the third bit is probability of NSS is there but not NCC. NSS is there but not NCC. See, NSS means S, but not NCC, but not NCC, but not NCC means C. This can be written as simply only NCC, not C. Means figure you can see only only NSS, this part only. Only this part, not this part, not this part. Okay, na? So P of only S minus we have to only S means intersection subtract. Intersection subtract. That means so P of S only P of S minus intersection subtract. Intersection sub minus P of S intersection C. So P of S is, what is the P of S value is the 32 minus 32 minus sorry, here P of S is the P of S is the, what is the 32 by 60 minus P of S intersection is the 24 by 60. Right, subtract and write down what is the required answer. You should be write down 8 by 60. Okay, na? This is the required answer for this one. Okay, na? Clear everyone? 21st problem also completed. Now I go through the everyone see, I go through the statistics topic. So everyone, you should be follow the statistics topic. First I will give the introduction. First I will give the introduction. Everyone see. So last topic, that is the statistics topic. Statistics is completed means total syllabus is completed. So what is the deleted syllabus is the conic section and mathematical reasoning is there. I will explain both also by the, so statistic is completed. First I will start the objective of the limits. Very simply I will explain. Next complex number I will explain. Conic section I will send a video, you have to see that one. Okay na? Right, everyone see. Statistics I am going to start. It is already we have idea in the 9th class and below 9th class we have the idea about the statistic. So what is the three parts is there in the statistics. Part one is the raw data and grouped data classes. For three parts is there in statistics. Everyone put the heading is the statistics. Everyone listen. First you have to listen statistics. So everyone see. First one, part one, part two, and part three. I am going to write statistics in that one. So part one is, everyone observe. So first I am going to see the part one. Part one. Part one is, what is the part one? Three parts is there. First part one is, so raw data. So we have to discuss with the raw data. Raw data means only they are giving the, so numbers only. This is the raw data discussion. And second point is grouped data. Grouped data. Grouped data means what we have to discuss is the uh, classes, intervals, class interval. That is the we are going to discuss. And third point is frequency also we can discuss. So what is the grouped data? What is the frequency mean? Zero marks. Zero, everyone see 10 minutes is there. Zero marks class data mean 0 marks to 10 marks. How many? This is the class interval. This is the class interval. 0 marks to 10 marks. All student above 0, 0 and above 0, but below 10. But below, we can't take the 10 here. Okay, na? Next is the 10 to 11 means. So 10 included, but 11 is not included. So 0 to 10, how many students? This is the marks. Class intervals mean marks. So all mass is simply represented by class interval. Frequency means number of students. Frequency means number of students. Number of students. So number of students mean 0 to 10 mass is the 15 student, 10 to 11 mass is the 10 student, and 11 to including 11 and 11 to some 15 is a 5 student. So like this one we are going to represent. Mass is represented by class interval. Number of students is represented by frequency. That is the grouped data. So frequency also came. Here is the frequency also came. All right, everyone see part 2, central tendency. Central tendency. Central tendency. Hello? I will see. I will see. Right. See this central tendency. Central tendency means everyone. Central tendency mean central tendency mean central tendency mean what is the central tendency? Is a mean, median, median, mode. These three problems we can do in central tendency. Mean, median, and mode. These three problems we can do in central tendency. Part 3, we have the part 3. What is the part 3 is? We are going to do part 3. The part 3 is mean deviation. One is the mean deviation. So in part 3 is the mean deviation and variance. Second one is the variance. Second one is the variance. And third one is the standard deviation. Standard deviation. Standard deviation. So standard deviation. So these are all problems. Standard deviation and coefficient of variance. Coefficient of variance. Coefficient of variance. Coefficient of variance. Coefficient of variance and range. These all problems you can be worked out in the third part. So tomorrow I'm going to explain part 1 and part 2, part 3. What is the main points I will explain, and I will start the exercise 15.1. 15.1 is the mean deviation problem, and the mean deviation find out with the mean, and the mean deviation find out with the median, and the mean deviation means mean deviation we are going to find by the central tendency. These are all problem. What is the procedures I will explain one time, and then I go through the in total topic. Okay, na? So in this one, so first we have to raw material. What is the ungrouped frequency? What is that one? And the grouped data. What is that one? Grouped data. What is the that one we are going to discuss. So raw material, now we can see. So first one is raw data means only just they will give the marks. Raw data means just, raw data means just they will give the marks only. So these are all points we are going to discuss. These are all points. So what is the points is the 50 and 45 marks, 92 marks, 73 marks, and 22 marks, and 75 marks, and 51 marks. These raw data, they will give in the increasing order, or they will give in ascending order. So increasing order also they will give, or ascending order also they will give. But 50 marks, 45 marks, 92 means we can write 22 marks correctly, increasing order. Next 45 marks, next 22 marks, next 45 marks, next 50 marks. Next we can write 50 marks, and then we are go through this 51 marks, and 73 marks, and 75 marks, and 92 marks in increasing order. This is the increasing order. They will give in increasing order, or they will give in decreasing order. Whatever the order they should be give, but that is called separate marks is given. That is called rated. Okay, na? So this point is clear now, everyone. So group and next one, ungrouped frequency distribution and grouped data and continuous data we have to discuss.